A good Tuesday evening, everyone. It looks like we are going to have a wet end to our Tuesday. We have some storms on the way coming down from the north. You see this line. Some of these storms are severe warned. They have severe thunderstorm warnings. That is different than the yellow, which is a severe thunderstorm watch. This is telling us that severe storms may occur, and you can see that they are on their way. We likely might see some actual warnings on these cells as they head into our area. There's probably some small hail with these cells, gusty winds, heavy rain, thunder and lightning, just something you don't want to be out in. So let's take a look at when we can expect this in much of the area. You can see over towards Nicholas County, that's where it's going to get to first as it comes from the north. So Nicholas around Beaver, Summersville, that's around 7. It gets down to Oak Hill probably around that 7:30 time frame, and then it continues its move southward. We're probably not going to see it continue to be as strong as it heads towards maybe Raleigh, Summers, or Monroe counties, because it will start to weaken as it heads through our mountains and we have that dry air up in the atmosphere. But on the ground, the reason why it's able to stay so strong right now is because dew points, signaling that the air is moist, at least at the surface, showing that they're pretty high. We're in the 70s in some of these areas. So as it makes its way along our western slopes, it's probably going to be pretty strong still until it gets down towards maybe the Raleigh, Summers, and Monroe County area. It doesn't mean you guys can't see some thunder and lightning as well. Again, the main threats are damaging winds. Flooding is we'll probably see isolated flooding as we head into the evening hours with this. Some areas could pick up quite a bit of rain with this cell. And we can't rule out some small hail as well. Again, it's going to continue to weaken, so these threats might change. But you can see as it traverses through the area, around the 8:30 to 9 o'clock hour, maybe towards 9:30, it's getting down towards Greenbrier, Summers, and Monroe, but it quickly weakens. Look at that. By 11, it's pretty much nothing, skeleton of what it was before as it's heading into our area. Then we go into Wednesday, and you can see we dry out. Looking into Wednesday, really nothing in terms of severe weather. Maybe an isolated storm, especially towards our southern areas, but really not too much in the way of strong, widespread rain that we're about to see as we go into tonight. But then look at Thursday. We have some more scattered storms, and those could be heavier at times as well, telling by the red, oranges, and yellows. This is late in the day on Thursday, so we'll get that daytime heating, and then those storms will begin to pop up. Rainfall forecast not only through the weekend, but through next week. Look at this. We're picking up several inches, and that's not only because of severe weather. That may actually be because of Tropical Storm Laura. This is churning over in the Gulf of Mexico, and you can see it's already a Category 1 hurricane, and it still has all this warm water to go over before it makes landfall somewhere along the Gulf Coast near Texas and Louisiana, probably near Houston. People in Houston need to watch out for this because it could be a major hurricane, a Category 3 when it makes landfall. Then you see it make its turn to the east. As it does that, it becomes a low pressure system. It's not really a tropical storm at all anymore. It's just a lot of rain at that point, and that's what we could see as we head into the weekend. Now again, as we go into Wednesday, we're looking good. It's Thursday that we bring the rain chances back. Friday as well, and Saturday is when we could see those remnants of Tropical Storm Laura. Pretty heavy rain at that.